Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust your video by using CapCut video editor. So let's begin. First of all, open your CapCut video editor. Select new project. Then select your video. Then edit. Right now what you need to do, you just need to scroll on the right side, select adjust. Then you can find a lot of option on here. You can increase your brightness, you can increase your contrast, video contrast, then saturation you can also increase. You can do everything by your own demand. Then if you just play this video, you can see. So this is the way for adjust your video by using CapCut video editor. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.